How to upgrade Spotify Premium. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can upgrade Spotify Premium, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to upgrade your Spotify account to Premium, log in from your browser. Whether you're using Android or iPhone, just open your browser and go to spotify.com and log in. Now from here, after you log in from spotify.com, tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side, then you'll find an option that says Premium. So make sure to just go to the Premium tab. Once you go to Premium, here you'll see a list of plans that are available. Select a plan that you would like, then just tap on the Get Premium option here. All you have to do is review your plan. You can say this premium individual plan cost me $3 a month, so I can select my PayPal or my credit or debit card depending on what I like. I can simply enter my details. I can tap on Buy Now. Now I can go ahead and log in on the app. Then I would have successfully upgraded my account. This way I can upgrade Spotify Premium. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.